What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over how you can make money online without having any previous experience, without having a website, or without even having any products. So if you're new to this channel, we talk about all things entrepreneurship and making money online. So if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the content that we release. We're on here almost every single day. Also smash that like button for me. If you take a look at the computer screen right now, you can see I have a website pulled up known as Clickbank. If you don't know what Clickbank is, it's an affiliate marketplace where other companies can list their products for people like you and me to promote on their behalf. And we receive a commission anytime we can drive traffic to that product and get a sale. So we don't have to own the product. We don't even have to really sell the product. We just have to find an audience to purchase from our unique affiliate link. So stick with me from the beginning to end of this video, and I'm going to show you how you could do exactly that. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is take a look at the top right. You go to obviously go to clickbank.com, and you'll want to go to the top right and it says sign up. Just click the sign up button. You can see right here, it's 100% free to join. Information will never be shared or sold. It's a very safe, you can look on the left right here, for over 22 years. It's a very safe platform. I've used them for a very long time. And again, it's free to join. So again, this will be super easy for you to do. So just go through here, answer the few questions. It's probably going to send you a verification email, and then you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you get down here, continue. You could click them, you could read them and agree to them. Once you get signed in, which I'm going to do now, actually here, I'll show you what's going to happen. I'm going to sign in. So once you're signed in, you'll want to go to a place known as the Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you're going to find products, businesses, anything you would like to promote. So if you take a look over here on the left, you can see all of the categories right here. So you got arts, entertainment, as seen on TV, computers, business, e-business, education, gaming, health and fitness, home and garden, all kinds of stuff, spirituality, sports, travel. So actually, for the sake of this video, let's hop into a different niche because we talk about a lot on this channel. Let's hop into the spirituality niche. This would be like manifestation and beliefs and stuff like that, which is a very trending actual topic. So as you can see here, once I come in and I click my category, it's going to give you a multitude of products that you can select from. So these are the different offers or the different companies that you can promote. So very first thing right here, where it says sort results by, I recommend you click the drop down button and you click the very bottom tab where it says gravity. This was sorted by the highest gravity. And what gravity is the amount of people selling this product in the last 30 days. So the higher the gravity, the more likely, or actually there's a lot more people promoting it, thus meaning the more people actually promoting something it validates that the product is selling, because people don't promote stuff that does not sell. So no one's going to waste their own time, their energy and stuff like that. And again, I'm going to show you how you can do this absolutely free without running ads. A bunch of people pay to run ads, but I'm going to show you how you can do it without ads. So you can see the very first thing right here. This, if you take a look, it says average conversion, $17.20. That means you will receive $17.20 on average per a conversion, per a sale through your affiliate. That is your commission rate. So this is numerologist, I guess. It's where people decipher words and stuff. Like, it's something people believe in it. It is what it is. There's this next one, soul manifestation. That's kind of what I like, manifestation stuff, bioenergy. But a lot of people like manifestation, and so we're going to use something like this. And I also like this conversion rate being $21.69. And if you take a real close look right here, it says reoccurring / rebill $34.46. So what that is, that's the reoccurring subscription plans that maybe, because again, we don't know what they're selling. We'll go through the funnel in a minute, but when they sell to the audience, it shows that they actually must be selling a subscription plan or a reoccurring plan to their audience that will generate you a reoccurring commission, which obviously everybody wants a reoccurring commission, because who wouldn't like to get paid over and over and over again for the same customer that already bought once? I think we all would like that. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you see this promote button. You'll want to click it here. Let me drag this in the window. You have an account nickname. I'm going to put mine here. And then you can see the default. Don't worry about anything else. I always just do the default. And you can see it's the landing page. You could preview them. If I was to open this, this is the landing page that your audience will see. They'll enter their name and they'll go through it. So I'm going to exit off of this real quick. So this is the offer page. This is what you're promoting. Let's go back. If you click the other tablet right here and you hit the preview button, it's going to show you a different one. It looks almost the same. Actually, they have a nice little logo at the top. So this, I may actually use this one. Normally I would just use the default, but I like this one better just because it's got a little bit more design. It must be their updated one. So I will click the, it says 2.0. So what you're going to want to do is click this generate hot link button. What this does, it generates your affiliate link. That affiliate link is a tracking link that tracks back to you. So anytime a potential customer clicks that link and makes a purchase through that link tracks back to your Clickbank account in your dashboard. So then if they make a purchase, your commission will be recorded in Clickbank. Very crucial, critical, whatever word you want to use. This is your unique website, unique to you and only you. So you click copy, you could highlight it. I don't care how you do it, but highlight it and copy it, or just click this little copy button to the right. That will be the link you paste wherever. Real quick, you can see how ugly that link looks. It's very messy, bunch of numbers. Somebody probably won't click that. So to save time, let's go to a website called Bitly. Not even save time, but to help conversions and stuff like that. Bitly, short links, big results. So it's totally free. You see right here, shorten your link. I copied my link, right? This is my original link. I just pasted it. That's the link I got from the Clickbank offer, right? That's my hop link. If I click this shorten button, it does that. You see how much prettier that looks? That's beautiful. It's a small little link. Bitly links are becoming very well known across the internet, so people aren't afraid to click them. And all you have to do is copy this link. This will be your new affiliate link. All it did was shorten that link to this beautiful, pretty little link that still tracks back to you. You're going to want to copy that, put it in notes, put it in a spreadsheet, however you want to stay organized. That's how you're going to want to put this. You're going to want to place it somewhere. Note what your link is, but for the sake of this video, we'll just leave it right here for now. But that is the link you are going to paste somewhere on the internet for your audience. I'm going to show you where, just stick with me, but I'm going to show you where to paste this link, but you want to make sure you have that link available because that is now your affiliate link. So let's go back real quick to our marketplace, and you can see right here, this was our product. If we click it, and this is where it's going to bring you. This is the offer page, the product page. This is what your potential customer will see. And it asked for name and birthday. I went ahead and put mine in. And now I'm going to want to see, yes, show me my soul reading. Now it wants my email. So this will be what your customer will do. They'll put their email in. I'm going to put an email that, yep. Show me my soul reading. It's preparing my soul reading. Let's get ready. This may be bad, guys. Wise soul. You're able to achieve anything, but must use your wisdom to balance your efforts. Has my name in it. I'm picking up the vibrations of a wise soul. So this is like a manifestation. I love the background. I love what they're doing. Click the button below to get your free energy reading. Yes, I want to see my free energy reading. Beautiful. If you're into this stuff, this will attract, I believe, a very good audience. I feel like this is a good offer. Again, low vibration. If you want your efforts to make a difference, you must accept your best is good enough. And it gives it's a sense of well-being, I guess. Do you believe in your destiny, Austin? Yes, I want to see my light reading. No, but I'm interested in learning more. Either way, it seems like it's going to be the same. So we're going to say yes, just because obviously that's the we want to get through this funnel. Strong, Austin, forever shining on the unknown, revealing new truths. You're ready for an awakening. What is that direction? Perhaps you're already crystal clear on that. Click here to discover your true soul path. We're going to click it, and this is, again, this is the funnel that your potential customer would go all the way through, and you would receive a commission if they decide to get to this page right here. It looks like your personalized soul path report will also reveal the things that are holding you back in this lifetime and what you can do to overcome them. I love the colors. I love everything about this. And you can see the normal price for this is $39.95, but today only for just $14.44, I can get a personalized soul path report. I could add this in my cart, and you can see they have a 365-day money back guarantee. Read every single word about your soul path, and if you don't like it, just return it. Absolutely beautiful offer. I'm going to click add to cart. And again, this is what your potential audience would get to do, and this is where you would receive a commission. The total is $14.44, and it shows you exactly what they're getting. And again, they have upsells right here. Yes, please add the personalized soul journey MP3. Yes, I want to add this and this. And this is what ultimately brings you back to Clickbank. Let's go back right here, and you can see that the average conversion is $21.69 per anyone that converts on this, also with the recurring rebill. So that shows you the potential. All right, cool. So we ran through the product. It looked beautiful. Say that's what you want to promote, but now you need to get it in front of an audience. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that now. So the next thing you're going to want to do is, in fact, I'm going to keep this super simple, and I'm just going to redirect you probably to another video, but there's different things you can do. You could either go over here to a website called FreePLRdownloads.com. And what this is private label rights. These are articles that you could use absolutely for free to promote other things. So let's take a look right here. If we type in like manifestation or manifest, we can hit search. And you can see a free MMR ebook, Inner Strength Manifesto. You could download these books, start publishing this, and add. That's what allows these websites to work for free. But introducing Inner Strength Manifesto. So the #1 secret to constantly generate positive energy. So what this is, it's a 22-page private label rights book or PDF that you can download immediately right now. Start download PDF now. Download it, open it up, and you can use this as your own product. You cannot alter it. It does when you download it. It gives you MRR rights, master resale rights. So you can download this and you can send it to people that you know, or you can put this in any of your descriptions on social platforms and stuff like that. This just gives you an article to give information out to people. I highly recommend you put it in like a YouTube video. But not only that, again, this is not your affiliate link. This is just information. You could place your affiliate link somewhere in this article, maybe. But what I really want to show you how to do. So what I did is I jumped over to YouTube and I typed in something like meditation, and I came across a channel known as Meditative Mind. They have 3.54 million subscribers. And you can see right here that they post videos, and these videos don't have a person in them. They're 1 hour long. In these videos, there's a person, and you see this is an ad. This video, this channel gets paid off these ads. Let's skip it. And you can see, if I just look, there is no people ever. It's just audio. It's a blank image, a little video. I don't know what you would call that. And nothing's happening, right? But down in the description, they can have affiliate links. These affiliate links are how you can receive a commission. Again, so if you were to go back to your Bitly website where you had this affiliate link, you can copy and paste it in the description of your own YouTube channel. So you don't have to have a website. You don't have to have a following. All you need to do is put content out there for free. And the content could come from places like that, the PLR, the free PLR downloads that I showed you. I don't even know where it went. I guess I exited off of it, but the free PLR downloads, you can bring content from over there and put it on here, or you could go over to a website like Pexels, and you can do motivation, or not even motivation. I would go with not motivation. I would actually go with like waterfalls or something like that, and you could get free videos and upload them to YouTube. But I don't want to drag this video out. Somewhere around this video, I will leave another video for you to go watch now, step by step, on how to actually how to build out a YouTube channel for free with free content that's not yours. So you could put that affiliate link in, but just know you could do it. And here's a website real quick. Another thing I want to show you on this website right here, DaVinci Resolve 17. It's actually called Black Magic Design. Here, I'll hit on back. The website is blackmagicdesign.com. If you just type DaVinci Resolve 17 into Google, this is, if you scroll down, it's a video editor. You could download it for free. They have a free version and a paid version. This will allow you to edit your videos for free to put them on YouTube, your meditation, your manifestation videos that you get from Pexels and Pixabay. Again, I would discuss that further in the next YouTube video that I linked somewhere around this video at the end of this video. It'll also be in the description, but you could edit your videos absolutely free. Just scroll down right here. I'm going to show you. Go to this website, scroll down, down, and I think we're getting close. I can feel it. And download DaVinci Resolve, free download now. There's two great versions. The software, DaVinci Resolve 17, download it for now. And here it is. If you want to buy it, it's $2.95 for the full version, but you can get the free version and start editing videos now. And let's go back and you could just see the amount of views. This has gotten 22,000 views, and it was posted like a day ago or a few days ago. 2 hours ago, 5 days ago, 51,000 views. So just think about the potential reach you have by posting. Yes, they have a lot of millions of subscribers, but don't look at vanity metrics. Just think about the potential of you being able to upload videos absolutely free. Put a link out there of a product that is not yours, that is also free for you to do. Everything you get to do is absolutely free. All you have to do is take a little bit of action, and eventually the commissions will start rolling in. I'm not going to say it's going to be immediately, but be very consistent. And you can do this. This is a real thing that you can do, and you can start implementing as soon as today. And that doesn't have to be the only product you promote. I showed you one product, all kinds of categories. Look through them, find something you're passionate about or interested in, something you feel like you could create content around. Whether you want to be in the videos or don't want to be in the videos, that's strictly up to you. But all I got to say is you have to get started. Otherwise, you will never see any results, because you can't see results for something you don't do. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button for me. If you didn't, you could just exit off without doing anything. That'd be cool. But also subscribe. I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.